Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 435D M Sport Gran Coupe presented in Estrel Blue. So alongside that very nice exterior colour, we've also added a full Your Next Car and Performance body styling kit to the car, and included in that are a brand new set of 795M style alloys that are presented in frozen black. Sitting behind those alloys you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes, and that of course on this car means we've got the full BMW M Sport Plus pack. Alongside that you'll see it's the 2017 17 plate. We've got LED headlamps up front. Down the side of the car, not only will you see just how nicely presented this vehicle is alongside the BMW gloss black air breathers, our satin side vinyls and gloss black sidebars, you will also see, again thanks to the M Sport Plus package, we get sun protection glazing on the rear windows. And we'll now move around and show you more of this very high spec 435D. Moving on for our first glance at the interior, we've got the M Dakota Highlight seats with the electric movement, memory and heated seat function for passengers and drivers. So as you can see there, we get this lovely M3 stripe highlights along with blue stitching throughout. And once again, we've also got Harman Kardon surround sound. 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. We can also rely on 4-wheel drive thanks to the X-Drive system on this car. And moving on to show you the rear seats, which again are a very nice black Dakota leather with a central folding armrest. And it's not only the front passengers that can have the luxury of heated seats in this car, thanks to it also being equipped with the rear heated option as well. Before we move right around to the back of the car, again we're going to show you these brand new set of alloy wheels that do have brand new tyres on. At the back we've got the satin rear boot spoiler and gloss black rear diffuser. We've also got a rear facing reversing camera on the car, alongside the automatic opening and closing tailgate that you can see there, which then reveals a very large boot space along with a split folding seats, and you can remove both bottom and top partial shelves to further aid in that already large boot area. At the other side of the car, again we can reveal to you that the Estrel Blue really does work very nicely with all of the additions we've made here at Your Next Car, along with being a very nice clean and tidy example. I'm going to move swiftly on inside the car because there is yet still a lot of special features to get through on this 435D. Memory controls there. We've also got the power folding mirrors. So as you can see over here, we can click that button there and they'll fold in nicely, or that can of course be done using the key fob. Upon entering the car, this vehicle has been specially coded with the M Performance upon open. So as you can see there, you just get a reminder that this vehicle does come equipped with our own version of the M Performance body styling kit. Starting the car up, we'll run you through a couple of the controls and features within this very nice interior. The vehicle itself has covered just over 38,000 miles. Has also got a heads-up display. So that will display speed along with turn-by-turn directions. We've got the professional wide navigation and media screen, as you can see there. Bluetooth for telephone and of course audio. And we've also got a wide array of multimedia inputs as well, covering you right the way through from DAB all the way through to your music collection and your Bluetooth audio. Down here is where we find the dual climate controls, along with our switches for our lovely front heated seats. And there you can see now on screen our rear facing reversing camera with both front and rear parking sensors. Popping that back into park just to stop it beeping away at us, and we'll quickly click through and have a look at the service requirements and service history for the car. So as you can see there, it's got full BMW service history right up till 35966, and the vehicle is coming up for a service, and which we are going to be carrying out in our in-house workshop. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this walk around video of this truly very high spec 435D M Sport Gran Coupe. Hopefully you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful, and hopefully we'll see you yourselves very, very soon. Do of course take care, and thank you once again for watching the video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.